Today we will be talking about point-slope form. We use point-slope form when we want to either get an equation of a line, or if we know the slope of a line, our m, and if we know a point that the line goes through. We just label this x1, y1. And our general form of the point-slope form is y minus y1, so our given point y value, equals m, the slope, times x minus our given x value, x1. Okay, so let's see if I can get this a little bit better for you to see. All right, so here we have a point-slope form equation. Y minus 9 equals negative 2/3 x minus 21. So we use the form y minus y1 equals the slope times x minus x1. So when we use our given equation, the 9 corresponds to this y1, the 21 corresponds to the x1, and the negative 2/3 is our m. So in this case, our slope is negative 2/3, and our point, our x1, y1, so make sure that we label the x first, is 21 and 9. So we see that it's 21 and 9, even though this is x minus 21, y minus 9. The minus is part of the formula, it's part of the equation. Okay, let's do this one. Y minus 2 equals 3 times x plus 8. So we use our general form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So here we have the 2 corresponds to the y, the slope 3 is m. Now we have to be careful here. This says x plus 8, and this is x minus x1. So what we really have to do is rewrite this as x minus a negative 8. X minus negative 8. So now this negative 8 is what corresponds to this x1. So in this case, our slope is 3, and our point that it goes through, our x1, y1, so the x is negative 8, and our y is 2. So now let's go out to the other side. We have the slope and a point. We want to come up with the point-slope form. So we're going to start with our y minus y1 equals 2 times x minus x1. We're going to start putting in our form. We have the slope is negative 2, y minus, so the y, given the y value, y minus 1, and then we have x minus our given x value. So y minus 1 equals negative 2 times x minus 4. Let's look at one more problem. Slope is 5, our point is negative 2, 4. So let's start with our general form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. The slope is 5, that's nice and easy. Y minus our given y value, 4. Now we have this, x minus our given x value. But our x value is negative, so if we're doing x minus negative 2, this ends up x plus 2. So our point-slope form, y minus 4 equals 5 times x plus 2. And that is